Bring your big toes together to touch and allow the weight to come into your heels. Turn your palms forward, relax your shoulders, and press up through your crown. Inhale, fill up your lungs, and pull it all the way down to the base of your pelvis. Exhale, draw your belly in to push the air out of your nose. Inhale, exhale. One more, inhale and exhale. Tree pose. Find a spot to focus on 4 feet in front of you. Place the weight on your left foot. Place your right foot at the ankle and place your hands together at the heart. You can balance here, or you can bring your right foot higher to the calf or to the inside of your inner left thigh. Inhale, find stillness. Exhale, stay here. Take another breath in and breathe out. Last breath in here. Exhale, lower the right foot down. Other side. Shift the weight into your right foot and connect your left foot towards your right ankle. Place your hands together in prayer. You can also place that left foot towards the inner calf or up on the inside of the right thigh. Inhale, find balance. Exhale, relax your shoulders down, squeeze your shoulder blades together. Inhale, exhale. One more. Breathe in. Exhale, lower the left foot down. Bring your right palm up and reach back and take hold of the right foot from the inside. Reach the left arm up by your ear. Keep the eyes focused on one point to help with your balance, or you can do this at the wall. Stay here or begin to kick the right foot into your right hand. If you feel steady, slowly start to hinge forward. Reach through the fingertips. Inhale. Soft eyes, exhale. Inhale. Stay here and exhale. One more, inhale. And exhale. Slowly rise back up towards your starting position. Exhale, release your foot and your hand down to your side. Turn your left palm up and grab your left foot from the inside. Inhale, your right arm up. Focus on a single point. Inhale. Exhale, kick into your left foot. Exhale, hinge forward. Inhale, slowly come down. Exhale, soften your face. Inhale, hold it here. Slow exhale. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, release the foot, hands down to your sides. Come all the way down to your mat and come onto your back. Bring the soles of your feet to the mat. Bring your feet hip-width distance apart. Inhale, push through the hands and your feet, lift your hips off of the floor. Gently squeeze your shoulder blades together. Lengthen your neck. Exhale, let the hands go wide and slowly bring your hips to the mat. Bridge pose one more time. Inhale, push down through your feet and lift your spine off of the ground. Feel free to gently move your shoulders closer together by squeezing your shoulder blades. Hold it here. Exhale, release the arms out wide. Bring your hips down. Bring the soles of your feet together. Reclined butterfly. Bring your knees together. Bring both feet on the mat. Waterfall pose, bring both legs up to the sky. You can slightly bend your knees. If this feels uncomfortable, you can do this against the wall, allowing the wall to support your legs. Gently release the feet all the way to the mat. Draw both knees into your chest and give yourself a big hug. Take one final long inhale. Exhale, Savasana. Lay the legs out long and wide. Open the arms out wide to the side. Close your eyes and find stillness. Stay in Savasana for as long as you'd like. Namaste.